Welcome to Surviving What's Coming. A power outage can happen at any time, and it's important to be prepared. The first 72 hours after a power outage are critical, as it's the time when you need to take the necessary steps to stay safe and comfortable. In this video, we'll discuss what you should do during the first 72 hours of a power outage to ensure you and your family are prepared and safe. Step 1. The first step in preparing for a power outage is to put together a power outage kit with all the essentials. This kit should include items such as flashlights, batteries, a portable radio and first aid kit. Step 2. Turn off electrical appliances during a power outage. It's important to turn off all electrical appliances to prevent damage or potential hazards when power is restored. This includes turning off your air conditioning unit, your furnace, and your hot water heater. Step 3. Conserve energy. When a power outage occurs, it's important to conserve energy as much as possible. This means unplugging all non-essential appliances and devices, using blankets and warm clothing instead of heaters, and only using your phone for emergencies. Step 4. Monitor weather updates. It's important to monitor weather updates during a power outage to know when to expect power to be restored. You can do this by listening to a portable radio or checking online weather updates. Step 5. During a power outage, it's important to stay safe. Use caution when using candles or generators and never use a gas stove for heat. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby and make sure you have working smoke detectors in your home. Step 6. Preserve food and water during a power outage. It's important to preserve your food and water to ensure you have enough supply for the first 72 hours. Keep your refrigerator and freezer doors closed as much as possible to maintain the temperature. If the power outage is expected to last longer than 4 hours, consider transferring perishable items to a cooler with ice. Additionally, make sure you have at least 1 gallon of water per person per day, and consider using water purification tablets if necessary. Conclusion: a power outage can be a stressful and potentially dangerous situation. However, by taking the necessary steps to prepare, you can ensure you and your family are safe and comfortable during the first 72 hours. Remember to put together a power outage kit, turn off electrical appliances, conserve energy, monitor weather updates, and stay safe. At Surviving What's Coming, we have everything you need to prepare for a power outage and any other emergency. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more emergency preparedness content.